Here is a conversation between two friends about their weekends. Let's have this conversation together. I will say the blue lines and you will say the green lines. Let's begin. Hi, how was your weekend? That sounds fun. I stayed home and read a new book. I also baked cookies with my mom. Chocolate chip cookies. They turned out really good. What did you do at the park? That's nice. Do you often go to the park on weekends? Sometimes it depends on what we feel like doing. I also like to watch movies on weekends. Do you watch movies? That sounds hilarious. What's the name of the movie? I read The Mystery of the Hidden Key. It's about two kids solving a mystery in their town. It was so exciting. Yes, they're my favorite. What about you? What kind of movies or books do you like? Oh, I've heard of that. My brother reads it too. Do you ever draw your own comics? That's great. Maybe you can show me one of your comics sometime. Deal. It sounds like we both had really fun on weekends. Okay, see you at school. Could you follow the conversation? If not, let's start from the beginning again. If you could, let's proceed to the next video.